Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best magnetic measuring tape on the market. The Crescent Lufkin 16-foot SHOCKFORCE NITE magnetic tape measure. Model LM1316B02. Whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who values precision and durability, this tape measure is designed to meet the toughest demands. Right out of the gate, what sets this tape measure apart is its innovative SHOCKFORCE technology. The Crescent Lufkin SHOCKFORCE tape measure is built to last with a reinforced case that has been drop tested from an incredible height of 120 feet onto concrete. This level of durability means it's ready to withstand the harshest job site conditions without missing a beat. The impact-resistant housing, along with reinforced fastening points and a metal lock button guard rail, ensures that your tape stays protected even in the roughest environments. But durability is only part of the story. This tape measure features the all-new STABLEWING blade design, which provides 16 feet of stable reach. This means when you extend the tape, it stays steady and flat, reducing blade rollover and making it much easier to mark your measurements accurately. The flatter profile of the blade is a smart upgrade that helps you work faster and with greater precision. Visibility is critical when you're measuring, especially in low-light conditions, and Crescent Lufkin addresses this with their tricolor NITE blade. The high-contrast markings in green, black, and red make it easy to read measurements regardless of lighting. The blade also has XL markings, so those crucial measurements really stand out, eliminating any guesswork. Additionally, the blade is protected by a 3X clear-coated finish which guards against corrosion and abrasion. The first 6 inches of the blade feature a mylar coating for extra wear resistance where it counts the most. This attention to detail means the tape measure will maintain its clarity and accuracy for a long time, even after frequent use. Measuring accuracy is paramount with any tape measure, and this Crescent Lufkin model delivers with a precision of 0.01 inches. It's a reliable tool whether you're measuring small details or larger projects up to 16 feet. Another standout feature is the magnetic hook at the end of the tape. This magnetic tip is incredibly handy for attaching the tape to metal surfaces, allowing for hands-free measuring and making it easier to measure longer distances alone. The magnet is strong enough to hold securely but easy to release when you're done. The overall size of this tape measure is compact and portable at just 16 feet in length, making it ideal for a variety of tasks without being cumbersome. It weighs only about 15.8 ounces, which means it's light enough to carry comfortably throughout your workday but still built solidly enough to perform. The tape measure does not require batteries, keeping it simple and maintenance-free. It comes in a sleek black design with a sturdy grip that provides comfortable handling and better control while measuring. In summary, the Crescent Lufkin 16-foot SHOCKFORCE NITE magnetic tape measure combines extreme durability, improved blade stability, excellent visibility, and precision accuracy. It's engineered to handle the most demanding environments and make your measuring tasks quicker and easier. Whether you're working in bright daylight or dimly lit areas, this tape measure's NITE blade will keep your measurements clear and visible. If you're looking for a reliable, tough, and accurate magnetic tape measure that will last and perform under pressure, the Crescent Lufkin SHOCKFORCE NITE is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you in the next video.